Hello children, in this video we are going to see the continuation of chapter 13, Our Body a Wonderful Machine. In the last video we have seen about the two important functions of our body, that is about respiration and blood circulation, and we have seen that our body organ like lungs it helpful for the respiration and our heart help to pump blood to all parts of the body through blood vessels, isn't it children? So today in this video we are going to see about one more important function of our body, that is about digestion. Digestion. So do you eat food regularly? Yes, we all eat food regularly. Yes. So do you know children, where does it go? What happens to the food that you eat? Do you know children? So when we are intaking food, it will go into our stomach and it gets digested. Okay, so the process of digestion of food we are going to study. Okay, so these are the organ. This is called human digestive system. What is this? Human digestive system. So these are the organs which are involved in the digestion process. What are they? Mouth, then throat, here you can see food pipe, then stomach, then from the stomach there you can see small intestine, large intestine, anus. Okay, so these are the organs which are involved in the digestion of food. Let's see briefly. Now first, what is the function of teeth? Teeth in the mouth chew the food items into small particles. Yes. So when we are having food, teeth in our mouth, it helps to chew the food items into small particles. The chewed food reaches the stomach through the food pipe. Okay, so after this chewed food, it will reaches the stomach with the help of food pipe. Now food, it will go with the help of food pipe into the stomach. Okay, food in the stomach get digested. It remains there for about 3 to 4 hours. Okay, so how many hours the digested food will remain in the stomach children? 3 to 4 hours. Okay, after this food will reaches the small intestine. Okay, after this the food will reaches from the stomach, food will reaches the small intestine and get digested further. The digested food reaches blood through small intestine and reaches all parts of the body. From small intestine, the digested food reaches to all parts of the body. Okay. So what about the undigested food? The undigested food reaches the large intestine and moves out of the body through anus in the form of fecus. Okay. So the organs, now you understood what are the organs involved in digestion children. So the process by which the food gets digested and reaches the blood is called digestion. So what is meant by digestion? The process. Digestion is the process by which the food gets digested and reaches the blood. Now good habits, some good food habits. Okay, so wash your hands before and after taking food. So after having food we have to wash your hands. Before having food also you should wash your habit. Wash your hands. This is a good food habit. Then eat fibrous food such as beans, radish, etc. So fibrous food is good for our health. Okay, so we should eat beans, radish more in our food. Then eat fresh and healthy food. We should have fresh and healthy food. Then we should clean our mouth, teeth and tongue after eating food. We should clean our mouth, teeth and tongue after eating food. So when we are having food, we should chew the food slowly and properly. It is better to eat once in 4 hours. So 4 hours once we should eat food. Okay, so these are some of the good food habits which we have to follow in our daily life. Understand, children? Now, one more important function of our body is excretion. Waste is produced due to household activity. Yes, we will throw lot of waste every day from our houses indeed. So the many material which is not needed by us, that we will throw as waste. Yes, in the same way, many materials which are not required by our body will be produced as waste. Okay, so which is not required by our body are produced in our body due to digestion. So undigested food that should be removed from our body, isn't it? So that is called waste. So if these waste remain in the body, they will cause some disease. Okay, so if waste remain in our body, it will cause what? Disease. So waste should be removed from our body. So our body removes this waste through skin and lungs. Okay, so skin and lungs are called as excretory organ. Excretory organ. So what is meant by excretion? You know, the process of removal of waste from our body. So the skin and lungs are called as excretory organ because skin removes the waste from our body in the form of sweat, and lungs will remove carbon dioxide from our body. Okay, so skin and lungs are called excretory organ. Then body removes the waste through urine. So let us learn about the excretory organ which helps for the removal of urine. So here this is the human excretory organ. Kidney is the human excretory organ. Then from the kidney there is a urinary canal. Then there is a urinary bladder where the urine will be stored temporarily. Then the urine will be removed through urethra. So how many kidneys are there? 2 kidneys are there. So pair of kidney means 2 kidneys. This one pair means 2 kidneys. Okay, so a pair of kidney is situated on either side of the backbone. Here what will happen? What is the function of kidney? The blood gets filtered here. So our kidney will filter the blood. You know, in our home we will use filter, isn't it, children? Why we will use filter? To remove the impurities present in the water. Yes, so in the same way in our body, kidney will filter our blood. Okay, so that impurities means dust particles or waste present in the blood will be separated with the help of kidney. After filtration, this waste which is removed by the kidney reaches the urinary bladder through urinary canal. Here you can see in the picture, from the kidney the waste will reaches to urinary canal and then it will reaches the urinary bladder. Okay, then it passes out of the body through urethra in the form of urine. So after the kidney filter our blood, the waste from the kidney it passes into the urinary bladder through urinary canal, and from the urinary bladder it will be passes out with the help of urethra in the form of urine. Understand, children? So this is about excretion. Now we should pass urine regularly. We have to take bath every day. We should wear clean clothes. We should wash our face, hands and legs often. It will help to remove the waste which are collected through sweat. This will clean the skin and open the sweat pores. Then we should drink 2 liters of clean water every day, which will help to remove the waste from our body through sweat and urine. We should eat and excrete regularly. Then we should play games, we should do exercise and walking daily. We should eat healthy food. Do not overeat fried food items. We should not overeat fried food items. We should take bath daily and keep our body clean. We should wear washed clothes daily. Then there are about how many bones are there in our body? Okay, so there are 206 bones and more than 600 joints in our body. So how many bones are there in our body, children? 206 bones. And how many joints are there? 600 joints are there in our body. Okay. If your height is 3 feet, your digestive organs will be 20 feet long. Okay, if your height is 3 feet, your digestive organ will be 20 feet long. So they are in the form of coiled tube. Okay, so our digestive organ will be in the form of coiled tubes. Our heart beat about 70 times per minute and 1 lakh times per day. So our heart, you know, our heart will be beating as, so our heartbeat rate for 1 minute 70 times. Okay, 70 times our heart will beat for 1 minute. Then per day, you know how many hours are there in a day? 24 hours. Yes, so 1 lakh times our heart will beat per day. Then in our lungs 3 liters of air is filled. Okay, 3 liters of air is filled in our lungs. Then human body contains about 5.5 liters of blood. Okay, so how many liters of blood is there in our body? 5.5. Then blood will be produced again after donating the blood. It needs 4 to 5 weeks. You know, some person they used to donate the blood to other person. No. So again the blood will be produced in our body. So to it should be produced, no, for producing again blood in our body takes 4 to 5 weeks. Understand, children? So these are some of the important points you have to know. So how many bones are there? 206 bones. How many joints are there? 600 joints. Okay. And our heartbeat rate is 70 times per minute and 1 lakh times per day. And how many liters of blood is there in our body? Human body 5.5. Okay, children, I hope that you all understand about this lesson. If you have doubt, you can ask. Thank you, children.